So hey guys, I hope you are having a wonderful day. Welcome to another video of the channel. Today we will discuss the mistakes you do while you are doing your keyword research and putting your keywords in the Amazon KDP title details. So I will tell you how you have to put your keywords in the title details and the things to avoid. So first of all, let's come to where you put your keywords. So here you have a book title. You have to put a book title, whatever your book is all about. You have to fill your title here. What Amazon is saying, enter your title as it appear on the book cover. So you have to enter the words which is in your book covers, in your front of your book cover. This field cannot be changed after a book is published. If you publish your book, you are not able to change anything. And another is subtitle. Subtitle is optional. You have to tell you what your book is all about, so you can put it in subtitle in a short, not in a very long format, in a short format. And we have to talk only about book title, subtitle and keywords, not for description. Keywords, choose up to 7 keywords that describe your book. You have to only put keywords that will describe your book. Don't put anything which is not going to describe your book. So let's try to find some keyword. Let's suppose we are making a book on a coloring book, flower coloring book. Okay, so we are in incognito. I just type flower coloring book. This is how an average KDP publisher choose their keywords. Let's put, if you are, let's just delete all the keywords and put one by one. Okay, first is flower coloring book for adults. Okay, we are just making a rough flower coloring book for adults, flower coloring book for kids, for girls. Okay, book for kids, and now flower coloring book for girls, and let's put flower coloring book for boys. These are the keywords we are. You can flower coloring book for kids age 6 to 12, flower coloring book for kids age 6 to 12. Okay, flower coloring book for teens. Okay, adult relaxation. So this is how you find all your keywords, like adult large print. We have just filled adult large print, adults large print, and flower coloring book easy, flower coloring book, and put easy. So this is it. I'm just trying to tell you the concept. There are a lot of keywords. You can just make your rough, and how you have to put your book title, subtitle and keywords. Most important keywords. So I saw a lot of books on KDP where publishers are just stuffing keywords in the title and subtitle. I don't know why people are doing this. Amazon telling you enter your title as it appear on your book cover. Don't stuff keywords in book title. You have to write whatever is written on your cover. So let's suppose you are making flower coloring book for adult. Just put flower coloring book for adults. So this is your title. Title is done. And what's your subtitle? And don't stuff your keywords in the subtitle. Let's suppose you can another keywords. If you find floral coloring book for adults or kids or whatever, and but you will fill in your subtitle. This is the title which is on your book cover. So in subtitle you can put stress relieving pattern. So this is it. You don't have to just put for, if you put flower coloring book in your subtitle, you have to put flower coloring book for boys, girls, teens, age 6 to 12. Don't do this. We are saying you can see flower coloring book for adult. We are not repeating any words. Flower coloring book, there is no any flower word, not coloring, not book for adults. We are not repeating words. And what we just put flower coloring book for adults, stress relief pattern, whatever is left you have to put in the keywords. Like for kids, girls, boys, you can just put for kids, girls. You don't have to put any question mark, or just put space. Girls, boys, teen, age 6 to 12, teens is done. Just don't put teen and teens. They had Amazon considered it one. Okay, so don't put teen and teens two times. Adult relaxation, we already put it. Adults large print, because we already include adults, so we don't have to put more whole line adults large print. We just have to put large print. Then large print. And floral, we didn't add floral. You can add floral. So this is it. We just covered everything. So this is how you have to put your keywords in the 7 boxes. Just try to find more keywords and put in those. Don't stuff keyword, don't repeat words. Look, we didn't repeat any word. And don't try to confuse your customer. If someone is gonna buy a book, they will see it's for girls, for boys, for teens, for adults, and they will confuse. So make it easy for a customer to buy a book. Don't confuse them. Just make it as simple as it can be. Don't complicate things. A lot of people just complicate everything and don't do anything. You are not gonna sell if you complicate your buyers. So think like a buyer. Don't confuse your customer. Make it as easy as it can be. So this is it. You have to make your keyword research. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 boxes are left. Just go and find a lot more keywords if you can. Some of my bestsellers don't have even a single keyword in the backend. Some of my bestsellers don't have anything in there. Just have title and subtitle. This is all how it's work. Just don't stuff keywords. So thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. If you're someone who is new, subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, like it, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. This is the end of the video. Over and out.